Hey, it's Natasha. I'm back and I'm bringing you guys some fall realness today. Today's color story is going to be monochromatic with a splash of fall realness. So, my main color that I was interested in is brown, and this is by IFBD, Fall Forward. And this is more like a really kind of rich chocolate brown. And of course, we gotta have us a nude. This is kind of like a pinky nude though, but it looked really good with this brown. Then we have, of course, some fall like glitter. And I saw these stickers on Amazon. So I copped the package and we're gonna try to implement this and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna start painting off my ring finger with this nude. My middle finger. With the fall forward. Let me clean up some errors and then I'll go ahead and put it in the lamp to cure. I'm gonna clean me off a space so I can lay down some colors. So I'm gonna lay these colors down for a marble look. A little clear because I may add some glitter and I want a little clear space for me to add glitter. Sometimes I think, I'm not sure. And that was just base. This. I'm gonna put some more of this in there because I don't want everything to be all that dark chocolate. I'm gonna use this brush. Oh, actually, I'm not. I'm looking for some blooming gel. I'm gonna make my pinky finger marble. So I'm gonna add this blooming gel. Lately, this blooming gel has not been blooming to me, and I've shaken it up. But I have had it sitting on my desk. So maybe it's been affected by the sun. I'm not sure. And it could really be my fault. So I'm going to make it a little bit more thick than I do normally and see if that changes. And I'm not going to do anything special because I love the marble that I did last time. I'm just going to run it through the colors and basically just lay it down on the nail. So I'm going to use a paper towel to wipe off any color that I don't want to reuse. And then go back in there. Let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and let it bloom a little bit. That's kind of cute. Not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and cure it, and then I'm gonna come back and maybe lay something around the cuticle area. Let's see if I feel like it. We'll see. Let me wipe it from under here. Make sure it's not that much polish. And get down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cure it. So for my index finger, I'm definitely am gonna add glitter to it, but because I want to keep this finger clear. I should have did them both at the same time. It's okay. I guess I kind of like want a smoked out brown on this finger just to connect the two, well, to connect the colors that's in this nail set. So I'm using the blooming gel again. And what I'm going to do is just drop some brown, just follow forward and like a zigzag motion like I often do, especially if I'm only going to do it like 3 times. That's probably a little bit too much, but anything, I'll fix it if I need to. Go ahead and let that bloom, and when it finishes blooming, I'll come right back. So I waited for about maybe a minute and a half, and I don't really think that it bloomed. So at least I don't feel like it bloomed that much to me. But I'm gonna go ahead and cure it, and hopefully I don't regret it, because I just really wanted a little bit of the background. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit because that's not what I envisioned. I just envisioned a few small dots on here, and it's covering up quite a bit of the nail, and I just wanted a little bit of it covered. So this is where I kind of like wiped it off. I promise you I'm gonna make it look better. So I'm gonna grab some of the IBD builder. Okay, I'm just gonna put some on top of here to make it sticky. So I want to make this sticky because I want to add glitter on top with a brush I was already using. I'm just gonna go in there, and I'm not gonna get a lot. I'm just gonna place it like intermittently. Get some big pieces as well. And the reason why I put the brown on there is just so some places where some of the glitter can have a place to sparkle. And I don't want to crowd the nail. I just want a little bit of glitter on the nail. You see, it doesn't look as bad. Now, I'm going to press some glitters in to make sure it's stuck. And then I'm going to cure. I'm going to add stickers because this finger definitely is missing something. So I will use a gel top coat. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to put some on my pinky as well because I want to add a little bit of glitter to this. And I'm going to add top coat to this nail so I can apply the stickers. And this is a no wipe top coat. And the reason why I'm applying the top coat is because the stickers do not like to stick to sticky things. So I figured top coat will be best. And if it doesn't seem like it's going to stick to the top coat, I'll lightly buff and go from there. I'm going to go on this glitter once more. Glitter. Make a little swirl or something like that. I want to go ahead and put my hand on the lamp and come back. Okay, I'm back. So now I'm going to, this is not sticky. I want to add some of these stickers. I kind of want to use, oh, that's the other reason why I needed to put the chocolate in the background. It's because these stickers they have white. And the white did not show up so well on the clear. So I think I'm going to use either something that says like, maybe I'll just use like that autumn, something like that right there. Ooh, now it's looking really cool. It's looking pretty good. What about this one? This one right about there. I think I'll use that one and then find some leaves and work around it. And now I'm going to look at that. Look at her be adorable all by herself. I'm going to use some of these. I don't think I'm going to use any other shape, but I will use more of the leaves. I'm going to start off kind of putting it around where the I'm gonna slant where I put the brown spots at, because that was a purpose. Okay, I'm gonna sit that right there. let's go like right there. Okay. Does that work? In a photo, that will look cute. Look at that. Oh, look at it. Okay. Okay, so I am ready for encapsulating. I'm going to start off with this one because I want to make sure that the stickers stay down. I'm going to squeeze out just enough to go around the cuticle. And I'm going to do it all the way down to the hyponychium. Then I'm going to make a big, long, thick line down the center and stop short of my tip. I'm going to go get my brush. And I already see that some is falling off to the side. So I'm going to help push that back and work it up towards the cuticle area, but not touching. I see you falling over there too. Not a big deal. So I'm going to pull those down, coming to the side. This is working out pretty good for me, to be honest. Super fast. So I'm going to pull to the side the gel. And do the same thing on this side. Pull it down from the side and line it up. And guess what? I am finished. I'm going to turn my hand over to pull some of that gel that was hanging on my skin a little bit. And before I put it in, I'm going to clean it. And when I say that's it, that's it. That's my apex that I have going on there. Let's see. And then you see how tapered it is on the sides. So I like this way to apply because it's basically even on all sides. And it keeps the shape of the nail. See, when I get finished, when I am finished encapsulating the rest of the nails, I'm not going to spend a lot of time trying to correct my shape. And that's what I love about this method. So I'm going to show you guys one more time, and I'm going to do it on a pinky just because it has something on it. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my middle and my ring finger off camera. And I'm going to come back and I'm going to do my thumb. So I'm going to do the same thing. Squeeze out near the cuticle. Kind of work that down a little bit fast, down to the hyponychium. Squeeze out a pretty hefty line in the center. Stop just short of the free edge. Grab my brush and tuck until the corners and to the sidewalls and also my cuticle area. And get a little bit more tight. Deserves to be a little bit more tight. You bring that down and do the same thing here, which is just grab from the sides of the gel like this. Can run it up. And then come on the other side and pull from the sides of the gel like that. Make sure I get into that side wall as well. And the same. I see it's uneven right about there. I'm going to flip my hand over and let the gel create an apex for me. Okay, so I've encapsulated all 4 of my nails. Still haven't done them yet. I didn't need that much. Oh, look at that straight line. Let's see if we can fix her over here. It looks Looks like it's not really able to be fixed, but we'll see. Oh, great. All right. That line is more crisp than I ever dreamed it would be. And I'm very proud of it. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the UV. So I end up doing 2 coats because I feel like it was not opaque enough. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a top coat. Do that. Make sure that there's not too much product underneath, which it isn't. And then I'm gonna go in, clean it up a little bit. And I will cure and I'll be back. So I felt like this was a little bit plain and I wanted to dress up the set a little bit. So I'm wearing Zule's No White Painting Gel, which is cool. So since I've already cured the top coat, and this is in light gold, which should really go with the gold I already have. Or if at minimum, it shouldn't conflict. I think that's even. Let's see. So I think I'm just gonna keep the two nails plain, and I'm just gonna go ahead and polish these two. And once I am finished, I'm gonna go ahead and cure, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna have the reveal. I feel like that this is all I want to do for right now. I'll think about it as I cure because the only thing that's left is top coat anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and then we'll be back with the final reveal. This is what my nails look like after top coat and curing. They deserve so much more, so I added rhinestones, of course. I tried to step out of my comfort zone with this design. So I'm a little 50-50 on the rhinestone design, but I feel like it works. I love the cluster and totally get the hype. This is my first time trying it, and while it could use some help, I do love the results. I want to thank everyone for watching my nail videos. My nail journey has been an interesting one, and I am happy to be documenting it. Thank you guys for the support. If you made it this far and enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you are enjoying what I'm posting lately, let me know by subscribing so I can slide into your YouTube feed. That's all I have for you today. I'll see you guys in a few days in the next one.